Good afternoon, YouTube. Dave here. I'm gonna head for work already. I had plenty of sleep. Not plenty of sleep, but Alexa, turn light off.
Okay.
Anyways, I'm gonna pause it here because I'm gonna make a phone call. Anyways, and I'm trying to keep it out of the sun. I'm driving to work. You know what? I'm trying out this GoPro Max. I had already tried it once when they first came out, but the desktop program was not working. It didn't have a lot of functions, and that pretty much was pissing me off. But now I can see a pretty clear picture. Now I can see the difference between the Insta 1R and the GoPro Max. The GoPro Max has a better crystal or crystallized picture, or maybe it's because it's just got a bigger screen, maybe. I'm not sure. But I'm gonna be uploading this to my phone. Hopefully I have enough memory, and then putting it on YouTube. I want to see if there's a difference, because I've done drive, those boring videos called Drive to Work with the Insta 1R from Insta360, and they look nice. But then again, I had only used this GoPro Max the very first day when it came out. And now that I purchased it again, it did the firmware upgrade. Now I called GoPro because I wanted to use this underwater. Oh, poor guy. He just fell. Oh, it was a girl. Anyways, she was skateboarding on the side. I wanted to use this camera underwater and they're 360 immersion. Now I'm gonna stop it right here for a little bit because I don't like long files. And although last time it showed that I could only vlog under 1080p, in reality I was kind of upset because I thought I could do 4K on hero mode. But if you really think about it, it's really better on 1080p. It takes a lot less strain on the computer, or less strain on your memory on your iPhone. In my case, it'd be an iPhone. So it still looks kind of nice. It looks kind of like 4K, but it really isn't. It's really I'm running under 1080p, 30 frames per second, which is okay in my vocabulary. It doesn't have slow-mo. Unfortunately, it does not have slow-mo. It says that it's got 2x slow-mo. That's not enough. At least not for my end of the sports. I am an outdoors person, but I need something slower. especially when I'm swimming. I'm an outdoors person and also a water person. I love swimming. I love being in the water. So it's something. It's one of those things that I needed a waterproof product. Now the Insta1R, the new camera, is waterproof. It's waterproof just like this GoPro Max, 16 feet. Anyway, I did the underwater test this morning. I went over to the Gold Gym and went swimming. It looked completely blurry. Blurry on hero mode and blurry on 360. So I was pretty much convinced to return it. Pretty much the same as I had done the first time that I had gotten a GoPro Max. But I decided to call customer service. They said, we had already fixed that function. What you need to do is manually update the firmware on your GoPro Max. So they showed me the procedure of how to manually update it, and that's what I did. Up to right now, I'm thinking that the blurry part of this GoPro Max should be over. It should be done with now. I'm hoping that they didn't lie to me. I'm hoping they didn't lie. I happen to be a member of the Gold Plus system, and I've been a member for the past 2 years. I've been paying my dues every month, so I would hope that they did not lie to me, or maybe just give me the runaround. If they're telling me to manually update the firmware and that should fix the problem, then that's what I did. I successfully did the manual update, and now, although it's Friday right now, I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow morning when the Gold Gym opens an hour later, and try this underwater again. If I can get that clear picture, come on, lady, get out of here. I need to get into a Walmart parking lot. If I can get a clear picture under hero mode and under 360, then this camera is a keeper. I don't really care if it doesn't have slow-mo. Doesn't really bother me. I got the DJI Action, Osmo Action, or the GoPro Hero 7. Those give me enough slow-mos if I need to make a video of it. But I did need a waterproof camera, which is the Insta1R, except the Insta1R right now is missing some parts since I first ordered it. And it's probably not their fault. It's that coronavirus crap that's going on in China. That they probably didn't complete my order and just sent me parts of the camera. Not the whole, not everything I ordered, pretty much. And since it was not everything I ordered, I wanted to prepare because I have a trip going scuba diving in the few coming months to a place that's around the world. No need to mention where I'm going, but I am going to be scuba diving, and I needed a reliable camera that'd be waterproof and would be crystal clear underwater. Now, the first option that I had already seen YouTube videos of the GoPro Max not working underwater correctly. These professional bloggers have even admitted that the GoPro Max is not really a dedicated 360 camera. It's more of a reframe camera. If those of you who don't know what I mean by reframe, is that you can take a 360 video and run it through your phone or through your desktop and start making individual cuts so that you can make a better video instead of just a normal 360 immersive video. I like the 360 immersive video because you can actually see your surroundings. But under the reframe, you actually just force the camera to point wherever you want it to point. You can make it zoom, you can make it zoom out, you can make it now the only thing is that with the Insta-One X and the R, it's got face tracking. It's something that GoPro does not have. I wish GoPro did have it, but they don't have it. I have no idea why. The Insta-One X is a little bit more popular than this GoPro Max, as I said. In ending, I'm still early, so luckily I'm still early, and I'm driving in the line at the car wash. Even though my truck probably didn't need too much of a car wash, I try to wash it every day. I got 14 days to try out this camera. When it first came out, I had bought it and I used it one day, and I realized that it did not have slow-mo. And a lot of the functions were still disabled because it was a brand new camera. It did not work with the desktop software on my on my Windows 10. I've got a super fast laptop, especially made. I mean, I bought that laptop only to be made to make YouTube videos. That's it. There's nothing in that hard drive that's other than just a bunch of videos that I take at work or at the farm or wherever I'm at. Just a bunch of videos. But it requires a special video card and requires a lot of RAM speed. So I have a 32 gigabyte RAM on my laptop, and it's running out of an i9 processor, Intel, with a what's it called? That famous name brand. I can't remember the video card, but it's a powerful video card for that laptop. Oh, excuse me. I'm still tired. I didn't sleep that much today. Anyways, I'm gonna put this to an end. Hopefully y'all like this video. Like and subscribe. I'm trying to get as many subscribers as I can. It's not because YouTube would pay me or anything. It's I'm very happy where I get paid. I get paid enough where I work that I don't need the money from YouTube. I just want to have as many subscribers so that I can be able to do different functions with my videos. But I need more subscribers. Like, for example, if I want to run a live stream from YouTube, I need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers. So you guys that are watching this, if y'all want to help me out and just subscribe, it doesn't cost you anything. It's free as long as you're a registered user. Just subscribe to my channel. You don't have to put the little bell where every time I put on a video, you don't have to see it. And, just subscribe. Help me out. Anyways, I'm gonna put this to an end. I want to thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm pretty close to being my turn to turn into the the car wash line. Oh, excuse me. It's Friday. Don't even ask me what date it is. Since I work nights, I lose track of time. But I know it's Friday because today was payday. Y'all have a safe weekend. Pray that the United States is not bombarded by that deadly virus. it has a lot of people panicking. But that's another story. Anyways, you all have a good weekend. Be safe out there. Don't drink and drive. And don't forget, Sunday, go to church. You all have a good weekend. Goodbye.